Sewer scope for 1245 Northeast 88th, going from main to exterior clean out in the backyard. There's a slight offset at the tap to the main. You can see the separation. Here's another crack in the pipe on the bottom of your screen. This is a Y connection, believe it to be in the road. As you can see, there's a crack on the back end of the Y on the right of your screen. Also a very large offset. This would not be able to be lined with the epoxy liner. This would have to be dug up in the road. You're still in 6-inch concrete, pulling back towards the 6x4 transition. Which I believe to be about here is the 6x4. We'll finish pulling back the rest of the way. Slight offset